The AdIntel app for Salesforce enables you to analyze and understand the performance of your Google AdWords, Microsoft Bing ads, and Facebook advertising campaigns. It provides you with all the information about the inbound leads, pipeline, and revenue generated from these campaigns, and automatically calculates your overall return on investment. This guide provides step-by-step instructions on how to install the app. Follow these instructions to successfully install the app and enhance your Salesforce experience. Go to the AdIntel listing on Salesforce AppExchange and click on the Get It Now button. In order to install an app, you need to first log in to AppExchange, if you have not already done so. Click the Login button to log in to your Salesforce production org. Log in to your Salesforce production org. After the successful login, you are brought back to the Salesforce AppExchange. Select the Salesforce org where you want to install the app. In this demonstration, we will install the app in a sandbox environment. Click on the Install in Sandbox button. Accept the terms and conditions by selecting the checkbox. Click on the Confirm and Install button. Enter your sandbox login credentials and continue to the next step. After successful login, you will be presented with a screen to install the app for different user profiles. We recommend that you select Install for all users option so that the app's functionality is available for all the Salesforce profiles in your Salesforce org. Click the Install button to start the installation process. Select Yes, grant access to these third-party websites checkbox. Click the Continue button. Occasionally, the installation process can take some time. In these cases, you will be presented with this screen. Click the Done button. You will receive an email notification shortly after the installation is complete. This guide covered the installation process of the AdIntel app for Salesforce. By following the provided instructions, you can easily install the app and start leveraging its features in your Salesforce environment. Please check out our other videos on how to configure and use the app.